Hello, and welcome to this HelloID provisioning product release video for April 2021. HelloID provisioning is a 100% born in the cloud, easy to configure and maintain user provisioning solution. It helps organizations to fully automate the user lifecycle management in the network by connecting the HR or SIS as a source system. Every change in this source is detected and processed into the network. No more worries about stale user accounts, accumulation of licenses or access rights, manual user management, or compliancy issues. Please note that in this video, we will only show the new functionalities for the April 2021 release. Please go to docs.helloid.com or our YouTube channel for more videos. Let's get started. In this video, we'd like to start with a PowerPoint presentation and then demo the new functionalities for the April 2021 release. We have two new items in this release. First, audit information in Elastic. With this new feature, we introduced the ability to view our standard reports inside HelloID based on the available audit information, or even the possibility to create your own custom reports based on the same information. To make this possible, we had to store the current HelloID provisioning audit information inside our Elastics, from which we can easily create our reports. Second, add search and filter option to the evaluation history. We introduced the option to search and filter data from the evaluation history overview based on the person's display name or the entitlement name. With this new feature, we also introduced the ability to download and export the results as a CSV file in the same way as we did with the other grid before. Let's show you how these new features work in detail. First, we'd like to show you the reports based on the audit information that is being pushed to the Elastic environment by HelloID. The reports can be found under this icon, Reporting and Control. Right now, there is a basic set of reports available. These basic set of reports will be expanded in the near future. The first report we'd like to show you is based on the action types. The first indicator will show you which actions have occurred over time. The results of this control can be easily adjusted by clicking one of these icons and will hide or show the results from the legend. Below this overview, we have split up the results. The first result will show you which of the actions have occurred over time and how many of these actions were executed compared to the other actions. On the right side, we have an indicator which will show the success and failure rates of these actions. At the bottom of the page, we have the results available as a general overview, being presented in a table view. The second report is based on the system perspective and will indicate how many entitlements you have for each of the included systems, which is what you see over here. In this report, we also have an indicator on the failed actions per system, showing the success-failure ratio, similar to the previous report, and we also have the data visible in a general table overview. The last report is based on a person perspective, where the first indicator is used to show you how many persons and which of these persons have a failed action. This can easily help you to identify which persons have failed actions, and you can use it to indicate what is causing the issue. Below is an overview of the most popular persons having an entitlement granted. It's good to mention that custom reports can be created based on the same audit information that's available in HelloID. These specific reports can be created upon request during the implementation of HelloID provisioning. Secondly, we have modified the evaluation history by introducing the option to search or filter data inside the report by specifying the name of the entitlement or the personal display name. For example, if we search for a specific person or a part of a person's display name, the results inside the report will automatically be updated and will only show the results meeting the provided search term. When the total amount of records being displayed decreases below the maximum amount as set by the grid, you will notice that the warning message automatically disappears. In this way, you should be able to identify if the current result will contain the full set of data or not. We also added an option for default filters, which you can put on the actions or systems involved in this report. This is the same as we did to the other grids in the past. With this change, we also introduced the option to export the entitlement overview, which can be triggered by the Export button. It's good to mention that if you have filters applied to the result of this report, these filters will also be used when the data is exported. This new functionality can be useful when you're in the phase of an implementation in which you would show the customer what the impact of the current state will be on the target systems when HelloID is about to go live in the production environment. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know if you have any additional questions. You can post your question in YouTube or send it to isupport@toolsforever.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive frequent updates about improvements and changes in HelloID. Have a wonderful day.